Oh, you just got back?
Yeah.
Also, you just used all my gas. Oh,
Hey,
okay.
Doug. Oh, okay. I just talked to the owner.
Mm-hmm.
The storage is on there. You gotta pay him before you pick it up. Listen,
Yeah.
listen.
Okay,
I'm
I'm
just
listening.
working-
I'm listening. I'm listening.
Just
I'm
listen. Listen to what I have to say, then you can do what you want to. Storage is on there. He gave you till the end of the other day to come back. He was gonna wait.
Wait, when did storage start?
Storage started when I told you. So
Oh.
I updated it on the ticket. Storage started on the. Storage started on 9/23.
9/23, so
Yes.
about 4 days ago.
6 days ago.
Is it
And
29?
you have until then to pay me, or I'm filing.
Wait, and to pay you the storage.
No, you to pay me everything.
Wait, the 500?
Yep. And plus the
Wait,
storage.
can you
Listen,
can?
listen.
No way. Are you gonna take the parts off or what?
No, I can't do that. He told me that I can't do that. But listen, you either gonna pay me, or you have 30 days from 9/22, and I want to file the lien on it.
Okay. Well, can you get my receipts to where you, since you ain't gonna take anything, can I get the receipts?
You'll get them Monday when I dig them out. I have to dig them out. See, all my receipts are on clipboard, and then we put them up.
I mean, just because my receipt from Buy Here Pay Here that you worked on the car.
Buy here, pay here.
Yeah, I had the car from Buy Here Pay Here that I had you
They're
put it
faxed
right.
into them. Yes.
Yeah, and I've got that one. It looks totally different than the one I've got. I mean, like it's not a photo. It's just totally different than the one I've got.
No, that's what we always use. These are what we always use. That's what we always use. We don't use nothing different.
Okay, so that's. But you'll give me the receipts.
Yeah, I'll get you what I have.
I mean, but you've got to have receipts for the stuff you got, right?
Yeah, when I buy them, I get receipts.
Right, and you've bought all that.
Yeah.
So you'll have receipts for that.
I will.
All right. Now you are closed tomorrow. So Monday, it'll be Monday, correct?
Yes, he said he'll have the receipts for you on Monday.
I know. I'm sorry. I was asking him. You'll have the receipts for me Monday, sir?
What?
You will have the receipts for me Monday. Look, I'm just asking.
Leave me alone.
No, leave
Go
me.
on.
No, I've got to. This is my life. This ain't your life. This is my
It's
life.
my life.
Yeah,
I have a life too.
yeah. You have a life of making. This is my daughter's life.
Okay.
I mean, you can sit here and shrug me off all you want,
I'm
but
not shrugging you off, but we go
you've
through
done
this every
something.
time
No,
we
but
come.
you've done something illegal.
I
You've
haven't done
illegal.
anything
Yeah, you
illegal.
have. You
Okay.
didn't do the stuff you said you done. You can't show me proof of what you done. I ain't digging it out. I ain't giving you the keys. It's been something. He won't hand me the
I can't
keys.
give you the keys without paying.
Man, I ain't wanting the keys. I said let me crank it up and get it up to operating team. No,
Well,
I ain't
payment,
got
you can do whatever you want
Why,
to with
but
it.
I worked at the shop. We never told people that. We never told people, no, you can't go out there and crank your truck up. And I mean, do whatever you want to with it, buddy. Check it out. See if it's all right.
Okay. Well, payment, you can check it out.
Sounds trying to pay me first.
Yeah.
Why would I pay
Come
you?
in for a no start. So I got it starting, right? Okay,
got it
did
started?
Come in for a no start.
You come in for a no start, no crank.
Yeah, no start, no crank, right?
Correct.
Okay. Did it start? Does it crank?
It does.
Okay, that's what I need.
But how did it? But did you put a new
Does it
PC?
start? Does it crank?
How did you get it started? Because you said you had to order the parts and put them in, and I paid you at like 3 o'clock that evening, and that next morning you called me and told me it was ready to go. So you got the parts in and got it ordered in a matter of about 14 hours?
Junkyard parts? Yes. You can go down there and pick a part from yourself, right?
At pick apart, yeah.
Well, you got Bohannon.
Well,
You
yeah,
got
Bohan.
Chattanooga Valley,
Well, okay, well, wherever
you
you
got
went.
Ballard Auto
Okay, well,
Parts.
which ones you go to?
I think we use Bohannon Auto Parts. So,
Bohannon's, and you got a used PCM, and you flashed it. It was flashed.
yeah, it has to be flashed.
Right. It was flashed.
But I know what you're doing.
I'm sitting here getting it on tape.
I know that's what you're doing.
I know, because I want to make sure that y'all don't screw nothing else up.
Okay.
Because you wallet flushed me.
Monday morning, and you can pick it up. Or if you
Yeah.
don't like it, come by and talk to the owner,
Alright.
and that's it.
It's gonna be I wasn't upset till I thought everybody told me what you was doing to me.
Okay,
And
thank
appreciate it.